Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW M4 and the Nissan GT-R, two iconic performance machines. We'll explore their core philosophies, from the M4's refined luxury and track prowess to the GT-R's raw, all-wheel drive supercar performance. Understanding their distinct approaches will help you decide which vehicle best suits your driving desires and expectations. Under the hood, the BMW M4 typically boasts a 3-liter twin-turbo inline-six, delivering impressive power with a refined feel. The Nissan GT-R, on the other hand, often features a 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6, known for its immense, almost brutal power delivery. Both cars can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, but the GT-R's all-wheel drive system provides a distinct advantage in traction. When it comes to driving dynamics, the M4 offers a more communicative and balanced chassis, making it enjoyable both on the track and for daily commutes. The GT-R, with its advanced all-wheel drive and sophisticated electronics, provides incredible grip and stability, allowing for blistering cornering speeds. It feels more like a purpose-built race car, demanding a bit more from the driver. Considering practicality, the M4 typically offers a more refined and comfortable interior, making it a better choice for longer journeys or daily driving. The GT-R's cabin is more utilitarian, prioritizing performance controls and a driver-centric layout. While both are high-performance machines, the M4 often presents a more versatile package, whereas the GT-R remains a specialized, high-octane thrill machine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.